Law of assumption is as simple as finding the energetic match of a desire, which means finding a way for you to create the exact match of what you want in terms of vibration, something you can believe is true. And the universe begins to rearrange itself to reflect that new belief back to you. Hi, my name is Andrea and welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about the law of assumption and how it works. But first, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive notifications each time I upload a new video. The law of assumption at its core is about choosing your truth. It's about embracing the reality you wish to experience as if it was already here. Imagine your mind as a powerful transmitter, like a radio that you tune to different frequencies. Each frequency is a different reality, a different experience you could have. When you focus on thoughts and feelings on a version of the reality you want, the version where you are thriving, where you already are who you want to be, you're tuning your mind to that frequency. When you assume you are already living your desire, something magical happens. Your energy shifts, your feelings shift, and as your energy shifts, you start to see the world around you change in ways that match that assumption. Life begins to flow in harmony with this belief because your thoughts and emotions are guiding everything you experience. Assuming it's true right now is like you're choosing to hold thoughts and feelings that align with your desired reality. You set it, you hold it. And life, by its very nature, responds to that assumption. You don't wait for the evidence to believe it's true, you believe it. And then life shows you the evidence. But why does assumption matter? Because they're always at work, shaping what you see, what you experience, and even how people respond to you. Every day you're carrying around ideas and beliefs and assumptions that act like magnets, pulling experiences toward you. If you assume good things are coming, if you expect life to flow, and if you hold the thought that everything is working out for you, you start to attract situations that match those beliefs. Synchronicities show up, opportunities arise, and you find yourself in the right place at the right time. But when you assume things aren't working out, when you focus on what's missing or what's wrong, life tends to show you more of that too. It's as though your mind is holding up a mirror, reflecting back whatever you're most focused upon. So if you assume life is full of abundance and joy, it reflects that back to you. And if you assume life is full of struggle, it shows that as well. Think of it like the foundation of a house. When you build your life on a foundation of joy and peace and trust, the entire structure reflects those qualities. When you assume a state of being, whether it's abundance, love, or peace, it's like pouring energy into the very ground you stand on, making it solid, making it real. To use this law, start by asking yourself, what would it feel like if my desire were already true? Imagine that version of yourself who already has what you're asking for, who is living that life, experiencing that freedom, that joy. Now allow that feeling to grow as if it's happening right now. I want you to close your eyes and feel that excitement, that gratitude, and here's the key: assume it is done. In this state, you're not worrying about how it's going to happen. You're not questioning when or if it will come. You're simply knowing it's already done. And in that knowing, you're moving through life differently. Life starts to rearrange itself to match this new energy, this new version of you. Because you're not waiting for anything anymore. You're living as if it's already done. And the how? That's not your job. The how is for the universe to figure out. Your role is to maintain that state, to keep coming back to that feeling as if it's already done. And that's the power of the law of assumption. The more you feel it, the more natural it becomes, and soon life is reflecting back the reality you've been assuming all along. Let's get into a simple way to practice the law of assumption in your life. Identify your desire clearly. Take a moment to decide exactly what you want. Write it down as if it's already true. I am so grateful now that I have, and you can write what you are wanting to manifest. Then you visualize and you feel it. Close your eyes and step into this new reality. See yourself in this state, feeling the emotions of already having it. Feel the gratitude, the happiness, the peace that comes with this reality. Then return to this feeling often. When doubts or old beliefs come up, remind yourself of the feeling of already having it. The more you revisit this feeling, the more natural it becomes, and your mind starts to accept it as the truth. It's not what you are saying or affirming, it's what you feel. The law of assumption is one of the most empowering concepts because it puts the control of your reality into your own hands. You're not waiting on external conditions. You're not hoping for someone or something else to give you what you want. Instead, you are choosing it. You are assuming it and stepping into it energetically. Assume the best for yourself. Assume it's possible. Let that feeling fill you up and allow the joy of that assumption to guide your steps. With practice, this will become second nature, and you'll see for yourself how powerful your assumptions truly are. And I'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences in the comments below. Have you tried assuming your desires into reality? What shifts have you noticed? Every story, every insight can inspire someone else. Remember, you are the power behind your reality. Thank you for being here. I'll see you soon.